What's a latte?
You'll order one by yourself today. Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Jason. It's nice to see you again.
I'm glad you came.
Me too. This coffee shop looks really nice.
It is. They make great coffee.
I'm excited.
Let's go inside.
Wow, there are so many drinks.
Yes, there are.
I'm not sure what to order.
That's okay. Do you like coffee?
Yes, but I usually drink it with milk.
Then you might like a latte.
What's a latte?
A latte is coffee with steamed milk.
That sounds delicious. Good morning, welcome. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Go ahead, you can do it.
I'd like a latte, please. Great choice. What size would you like? A medium, please. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, I'd like a blueberry muffin, please. Perfect. Anything else? No, that's all. Thanks. Your total is $8.75.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon. I was nervous.
You did a great job.
Really?
Yes, you spoke clearly.
Thank you. I'm becoming more confident.
I can see that.
Sophia, here is your medium latte and blueberry muffin. Jason, this is your large cappuccino. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy. This latte is really good.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for helping me today.
You ordered.
Everything by yourself.
I only encouraged you.
You're right.
You should be. Are you free next Saturday?
Yes, why?
There's a farmer's market downtown.
Really?
They have fresh fruit and fresh vegetables.
That sounds wonderful.
Homemade bread and live music.
I'd love to go.
Great, let's meet there next Saturday morning.
It's a date. I mean, a friendly date. See you next Saturday.
See you then.
Great job watching today's story. Now it's time for our listening. Listen carefully. You will have 3 seconds to answer each question before I correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Where did Sophia and Jason meet? They met outside the coffee shop. Question 2. What drink did Sophia order? She ordered a medium latte. Question 3. What food did Sophia order? She ordered a blueberry muffin. Question 3. Who helped Sophia feel more confident? Jason helped Sophia feel more confident. Question 5. Where are Sophia and Jason going next Saturday? They are going to the farmer's market. How many questions did you get correctly? Let's review today's new words. A latte is a coffee drink made with steamed milk. I'd like a latte, please. Let's review the second word, menu. A menu is a list of food and drinks you can order. I looked at the menu before ordering. Let's review the third word, barista. A barista is a person who prepares and serves coffee. The barista smiled and welcomed us. Let's review the fourth word. Muffin is a small, soft cake that people often eat for breakfast or as a snack. Example: Sophia ordered a blueberry muffin. Let's review the fifth word. Confident. Cons you believe in yourself and feel sure about what you are doing. Example: Sophia felt confident when she ordered her drink. Great job on the vocabulary review. It's time for speaking practice. Repeat each sentence after me. You will have 3 seconds. Speak clearly and have fun. What would you like? Excellent. I'd like a lot. Great job. A medium, please. Excellent. See you next Saturday. Fantastic. You're improving your English every day.